What are we doing right now?
We're choking the chain.
Drinking sangria, nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float. We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart. Put on your life vest, let's drop anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to spank her. Deadliest catch without the crabs. We're almost out of gas, called the Arabs. I'm a pussy pirate, my name is Jack Sparrow. Take off my pants, she can see my flesh arrow. Make sure to wax, use your mom's hair. You'll be amazed when I come in your hair. Pull up the anchor, cause you're leaving dry land. With a dick in your hand. So wait, it shivered me timbers. We like to fuck ladies with our 8-inch members. Love me, fuckers who be a curvy. Add lemons and limes so contracted the scurvy. Drop the ink and give that hoe a shout. Cause I'm using my compass